Hi everyone, it's Nancy back with a new project to share. Sorry about the glare. I have laminated the cover and so I'm trying to make sure that it doesn't blind you too much. This is a project that I made using a really great kit from Polka Art Studio. It's the Art of Calligraphy, and the paper pack comes in 12 by 12. You can print out, it's a printable kit. You can print it out in 12 by 12. I printed it in 8 by 8. And I made this to be a working calligraphy journal, so I'll let you know what I did. I printed out the collection, 8 by 8. I then chose my front cover and my back cover, and I laminated them. I want this to be a working journal, so I laminated the front and back cover. I used my arc punch from Staples, which is a disc binding system, and it does a really good job of cutting through the laminate cover. And then I bound it with the black arc discs, and let's open that up so that we can get rid of some of that glare. This is the inside cover. These papers are so pretty, and they're all to do with calligraphy. I combined them with the vintage grunge paper pack, also from Polka Art Studio. And so the back of the calligraphy page has a grunge page on it, and then I used a page of the elements to add in some fun little bits. So there's a pocket there. Whoops. See, this is what I love about the arc system. Instead of just ripping it out of the binding, you can pop it out and then pop it right back in. So I spent some time choosing which papers should go with which. This is another set of the grunge. This is an envelope I made out of an extra paper. I had goofed on a print, so I just made an envelope out of it and added another sheet. There's lots of work in here, lots of room in here for me to practice my calligraphy or whatever I want. I've got some new really fun dip pens and a glass dip pen that I've been playing with, and it's just been a lot of fun. More great images. This could be done again and fussy cut some of those out. Then I just added another tag. Now, this is a page that comes with the kit. It prints on an 8.5 by 11, and it's got the lines, so it's a great practice sheet, and you can print as many as you want. And the idea for me was, with the laminate, it makes such a nice backing for practicing some of this stuff. So I can put it on the front, or I can just lay it down there, do my work, and then pop it back into the journal. So, and if it works out well, I can put it in between all the other sheets so that it'll be on display. Now I lost my page. There we go. Just really nice. There's inspiring designs, more lined pages, some more extra bits just tucked in. It's just a fun way. When I was a kid, I used to sit down and practice my script. Now nobody does script, but I just love to sit and write. Just a really pretty collection. Here's another one of the printed practice sheets. Pretty grunge papers. And then there's the inside back cover. There's lots of room to add more pages. There's the, isn't that nice? Just a really fun collection of papers. So check it out at Polka Art Studio. I'll have all the links below. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.